The link took me to the Kodi Lee Golden Buzzer video from America's Got Talent. I had previously seen this before, but after watching it again, it brought back the same feelings and emotions I had the first time I saw it. When Kodi first came out with his mother, honestly, my expectations were low for his performance, just because he had such a difficult time communicating when being asked questions because of his autism. Then he performed, and like the audience and I think the judges, I was shocked and blown away at how beautiful his voice was and how talented he was. The performance was so touching because it demonstrates that you never really can judge a book by its cover. And you should never, ever give up on anyone or expect less of anyone because of their disabilities or special needs. Everyone is special and unique and has something amazing to give to the world, and Kodi Lee is proof of that. It's important to help children find their passions, and in this case, music is what helped Kodi to reach his. This blind autistic kid, music is what helped save his life, according to his mother. So I guess what this video really showed me is that everyone is capable of learning. And as an educator myself, I feel that I have a special privilege to help children discover it. I really enjoyed the video.